But then what else? What else? Oh, sheesh. Come here. Tell me. Come here. Yeah.
What did you do today?
You did? But what else? But what? No, wait, a lion?
Is that what happened?
Was a real life lion? What'd he say? What'd the puppy say? Oh. But then what'd the duck say? What'd the horse say? What did the lion say? Oh, that's scary. But what else do you and Grandma Penny do today? You did?
You gonna go draw?
Can you draw a pretty picture?
Give it to Daddy. Daddy put it in the code.
Okay, fix it. Baby. Which one's your favorite? This one's your favorite? Why? Can you tell me about it?